Hi, I'm Lori Schneider from Austin, Texas, and owner of Figs Catering. On behalf of Expert Village, we're going to show you how to make vegetable spring rolls with a Thai peanut sauce. So now that I've got most of my vegetables cut and prepped, I'm now going to take care of our cilantro. I really love cilantro, and it's really common in Asian and Thai cooking. It's just a very common herb that's used. And if you don't like cilantro, don't worry about it. You can leave this ingredient out. But it really does give our spring rolls a really nice flavor. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that our leaves of cilantro are about 2 inches in length. And I'm going to start placing them on my paper towel here. And I'm just going to get these pieces and I'm going to try and pull off the leaves like so. And if you see any black leaves on the cilantro, then those are not good. So make sure that you don't include those in your spring rolls. So I'm pulling off again the top leaves. Another thing to remember is that in your grocery store, cilantro looks very similar to Italian parsley. So don't be confused, and a lot of times they're right next to each other in the grocery store. So make sure that you read your labels and make sure it's the right thing, but also make sure you smell it, because sometimes things get put in the wrong bin. Perfect. So these are cilantro leaves. I've got it in a damp paper towel, and that will help keep them nice and fresh. And I'm just going to wrap them up and set them over on our plate.